Did you know that history's most misunderstood philosophical concept was never about creating superior humans? Friedrich Nietzsche's Übermensch has been twisted into something he never intended. It doesn't mean becoming better than others or dominating people. The Übermensch is about overcoming yourself, transcending your own limitations and mental barriers. Nietzsche envisioned humans who stop following inherited moral systems blindly. Instead, they create their own values based on personal experience and wisdom. Think of it as the ultimate self-improvement philosophy. It's about breaking free from societal conditioning that holds you back. Stop letting others define what success, happiness, or fulfillment means for you. The Übermensch masters their emotions, thoughts, and reactions daily. They question everything they've been taught and build their own moral framework. In practical terms, this means setting your own standards instead of chasing society's approval. It's becoming the author of your own life story. True strength comes from conquering your inner weaknesses, not conquering others.